Binance Card Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think crypto cards are just gimmicks, but you won't believe what happens next when your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins start working like everyday cash. The Binance Card is a cryptocurrency debit card offered by Binance, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges. It allows users to spend crypto at millions of merchants worldwide, converting digital assets into local currency at the point of sale. The surprising truth about the Binance Card is that it supports instant crypto to fiat conversion, meaning you don't need to sell your crypto manually before spending. This feature makes it ideal for frequent travelers, online shoppers, and anyone who wants to use crypto in daily life. Most people get this wrong. They assume crypto cards are expensive or risky. While fees exist such as ATM withdrawals or foreign currency conversion, many cards offer cashback rewards paid in crypto, turning spending into potential investment growth. Binance Card also comes with real-time transaction tracking through the app, secure PIN management, and support for multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, BNB, and stablecoins. Some tiers even offer additional perks like higher cashback or travel insurance. The Binance Card is best for crypto enthusiasts who want to integrate digital assets into everyday spending without selling or transferring manually. The surprising truth is that using crypto doesn't have to be complicated. It can actually simplify transactions. Subscribe for more honest crypto product reviews that help you spend smart and stay secure.